Brad Williams, XL Primes. Based on the work date, determine the previous Saturday. How do we go about doing this? Here's our work date. How many days was the previous Saturday? We can go Tuesday, Monday, Sunday, and Saturday, right? 4 days. How do we determine the previous Saturday? Why can't we go this date, the previous Saturday? Why don't we just go this date minus 4? Well, let's try it. Equals this. The previous Saturday would be February, this minus 4 Saturday. All right. There you go. Does that work? The previous Saturday is February 29th. We use this really simple way to do it. And then we can use this complicated way. Based on the previous work day, Saturday, Sunday, and Saturday. Sunday, why don't you just go, why don't we go equals this minus 3. Sunday. And what's the answer? Sunday. Recent day of week, well, we'd have to use the Tuesday. Anyway, I'm going to show you 2 examples. That's one. That's just simple. Here, mod. We can use mod. And all we're going to do is we're going to go B5 minus 4. Isn't that what we did here for this previous Saturday? B5 minus 4. How do we do that? Just forget the mod. We're going to go B5 minus 7. B5 minus 7. What is B5 minus 7? B5, doesn't that take us back to Wednesday the 21st? What does that determine? Wednesday is day 4. Well, if you take this date, it'd be Wednesday 7. You divide it by 7, the number of days. We're looking for this day. We're looking for Wednesday. It doesn't matter the date. We're just looking for Wednesday. And that will be 4. And then B5 minus 4 is Saturday. How do we know? Well, look at this. F9. And it should be 4, F9, in there. B5 minus 4. Start from the beginning. What are we trying to do? Trying to find the previous Sunday or Saturday. Go Wednesday. We have to go back how many days? 3 or 4. How do we do that? B5 minus, isn't that what we did here? And we just do the same thing, B5, and we did it with a little flare. If you want a little flare, here you go. If you just want to do it real quick, down and dirty, there you go. Over here on your right, read it if you need it. And then mod, if you don't remember what mod is, it just returns the remainder after dividing. Why is this a little bit different? Because we're not using the remainder, we're using the integer part of it. That's why we divide by 7, and the integer will be the final outcome. Because, you see here, we have this int, the final result will be quasi-whole number. And then if you want to do this today, go down here, just enter this particular, I did it right here. You got today, minus recent day of week. You can just do this, mod today minus day of week 7. And day of week will be B5 to B13. We can just go B5, and we're doing the exact same thing. Work through it. You know, play around with the mod function, and then play around with the simplified version and see if you can go today. Why can't we just go today minus, what is this, March the 2nd? Why can't I go today minus 4 and get this Wednesday the 29th equals today minus 4? 329, 23. Seems rather simple, doesn't it? We can spruce it up if we want, but it's the same date, 23. I don't like this 23. I like 2023. Brad Williams, XL Primes, signing off.